Hey folks, we're back. Look at this piece. This is a 2015 Audi Q5 Premium Plus TDI Diesel. All-wheel drive, sport package, luxury package, cold weather package, trailer tow, panoramic roof, Bose premium sounds. It's got everything. Push button start, remote start. Loaded, folks. Navigation backup cam. 2 owners, perfect Carfax, no paintwork, volcano red metallic. It's a lady, folks, and then some. These are absolutely super hard to find, and you got the nicest one around right here, right now. Das Cleveland. Gonna test drive her today, folks. She's like new. This is how she came in. We didn't even detail this car. This is exactly the way it was traded in, and we picked it up, and we're so excited to sell it. DasCleveland.com. Do not hesitate. They do not last long, I promise you.